morning, everyone. My name is K.S. Saprameya. I am studying in UKG in Bhaktachalam Vidyasaram. I am going to identify 195 countries of the world from their flags.
How many continents are there?
6.
What are they?
Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Oceania.
Asian countries.
India, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Afghanistan, Thailand, North Korea, Nepal, Indonesia, Bhutan, Yemen, Brunei, Armenia, South Korea, China, Japan, Oman, Tajikistan, Sri Lanka, Syria, Turkmenistan, United Arab Emirates, Russia, Turkey, Pakistan, Iraq, Laos, Bahrain, Myanmar, Vietnam, Mongolia, Lebanon, Maldives, Qatar, Jordan, Israel, Kuwait, Cambodia, Kyrgyzstan, Saudi Arabia, Philippines, Malaysia, Iran, Singapore, Bangladesh, Timor-Leste, Azerbaijan,
Countries.
Lithuania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Macedonia, Portugal, Spain, Monaco, Denmark, Belarus, San Marino, Montenegro, Serbia, Poland, Greece, Netherlands, Italy, Malta, Belgium, Finland, Romania, Norway, Estonia, Cyprus, Sweden, Bulgaria, Kosovo, Iceland, Georgia, Croatia, Slovakia, Hungary, Slovenia, France, Switzerland, Liechtenstein, Vatican City, Czech Republic, Austria, Luxembourg, Albania, Ireland, United Kingdom, Ukraine, Germany, Latvia, Moldova, Andorra.
Next, North America.
Guatemala, Mexico, Panama, El Salvador, Honduras, Grenada, Antigua and Barbuda, Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Canada, United States, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Jamaica, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Belize, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Saint Lucia, Haiti, Singapore,
South America.
Suriname, Bolivia, Colombia, Chile, Ecuador, Venezuela, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay, Argentina, Guyana, Brazil,
Africa.
Malawi, Liberia, Burundi, Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, Namibia, Democratic Republic of Congo, Togo, Somalia, South Africa, Ethiopia, Comoros, Niger, Guinea, Mali, Tanzania, Mauritius, Chad, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Central African Republic, Libya, Algeria, Egypt, Rwanda, Benin, Sao Tome and Principe, Cape Verde, Senegal, Morocco, Madagascar, Zambia, Ghana, Djibouti, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Gabon, Gambia, Burkina Faso, Swaziland, Uganda, Mozambique, Botswana, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Angola, Seychelles, Sudan, South Sudan, Nigeria, Republic of Congo, Sierra Leone, Mauritania, Tunisia, Lesotho.
Oceania.
Papua New Guinea, Australia, New Zealand, Vanuatu, Fiji, Solomon Islands, Samoa, Tuvalu, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Tonga, Palau, Nauru, Micronesia.
Thank you.
Thank you.